Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Sculptique.com. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and we have it here open up on our website. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a supplement that will help you to get your skin to smoother. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and I highly doubt that this is legit, since these are all fake reviews right here, as you can see. And then right here, you have it here open up on Trustpilot and see that they're rated 3.7 out of 5 stars with 89 reviews. So let's read some reviews here. Didn't help me. 5 stars, smooth skin, best product ever, and a lot more. Worst service ever, and machine smoked. Worst product company, and there are some red flags, but there are people that are saying that they're really good. So before buying this, I would advise you to do some more research before actually buying this product, since it is quite expensive. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.